and whatever her favorites, some of it I gave her so that she can enjoy more. Bakrid is a festival of giving. During this time, we also get a lot of meat. Beja, tilli, liver, keema, gote, everything we make. And today, we're going to make Hyderabadi Gosht. Because we make so many variations, you flavor the meat, each one slightly differently. So today, we're going to flavor it with soya leaf.
I grew up in Mushirabad. During this time, entire street used to, full of celebration.
Everybody, poor, rich, everybody, cut a goat and they distribute the meat.
Distribute the meat, yes.
So let's start cooking.
Yeah. Pour oil.
Two-step process. Mutton we're going to cook, and then we're going to cook the tomatoes, the soya and the greens. And then we're going to put them together.
Yeah. First, we are going to add whole garam masala.
In that, add some ginger garlic paste.
Add some turmeric.
In this, add cleaned meat.
We love little bit bones.
Yeah, flavor of the curry at the end is going to be tasty when you use the meat with bone on. In this,
Salt.
add salt and kind of fry the meat for a few minutes. Look at this.
Yeah.
After a few minutes of slightly frying the mutton, add chili powder, add water, put the lid on and cook it. Depending on the mutton, this meat is nice and tender. Around 3-4 whistles should be good enough.
In a slow flame.
On a slow flame. Add little bit oil and add more of butter. When the butter melts, in this, add onion. Finely chopped onion, add salt and cook till the onions are little more than transparent. Soya is a very flavorful greens. It's also called dill in English, and for a lot of pickling and all that they use dill leaf. And in this I'm also going to add very little of this sour greens. We also make a mutton recipe which is called gongura mutton, but that we're going to do some other day. So now the onions are slightly colored. In this add
Turmeric, tomatoes,
add some
green chilies.
some more chili powder,
Yes. Coriander powder.
cumin powder.
Some nutmeg.
This nutmeg powder also is
Okay.
what did you do to me? So this nutmeg also gives very good aroma for the preparation.
We are going to cook this tomatoes till it is nice and soft.
Once these onions, the tomatoes get mashed up, in this we're going to add the gongura, that is the sorrel leaf, and this will get mashed up like a paste just by cooking. And also the soya leaf. Now mix both of them and let it cook not for a long time, just like 4-5 minutes, and then we're going to add the mutton into this. This has got such a strong flavor. As a kid, I used to hate it, but now I just love it. You
Even
too?
me too, yeah.
Oh, is it? But you love it now?
Yeah.
You love it now?
Yes.
You love? Okay, baby. The meat is also nice and tender. You can tell when the meat is leaving the bone. Now, transfer. This combination is what real Hyderabadi flavors come in.
Yes.
Slowly this will thicken a little bit and put it on a hot bed of rice. Jink chick, jink chick, jink chick, jink chick. Especially for Bakrid, we make so many variety of dishes.
Done.
Got the nice consistency.
Yes.
And the aroma is to die for. अब क्या करने का? अरे हमारा हैदराबादी में
Language आ गया.
आ गया. So this one, look at this. It is very wonderful gravy. So dear friends, you can make it like a gravy or you can make it slightly thicker. Whatever way you want. Especially with the chapatis and all that, we make it slightly thicker. With the rice, we make it a little bit gravy. And when you eat this, Mama Mia, it is going to be so good. You will just love it. So let's eat, baby.
Yeah.
So this is beautiful. The aroma is just fantastic. Ah, baby. Small bite for you, big bite for me. These are specialties. You got to. You are nalli piece. That for you. Okay. At home, each one of us have our favorite things, and whatever her favorites, some of it I gave her so that she can enjoy more. One more bite. Very small one. Dear friends, life is beautiful. Special Bakrid wishes to all our brothers and sisters. Enjoy the festival and Keep the spirit of giving. When you eat best of the best food, you got to do ding,
Ding,
chicka,
ding,
ding, chicka, ding, chicka, ding, chicka, ding, chicka, ding, chicka.
ding.
Oh, ha, ha, nice one, nice one.